CAD compare naive and aware datetime.now less than equals challenge.datetime_end. I am trying to compare the current date and time with dates and times specified in models using comparison operators. The script errors out with. The models look like this. I also have Django using locale date and times. What I haven't been able to find is the format Django uses for datetime field. Is it naive or aware? And how do I get datetime.now to recognize locale datetime?
By default, the datetime object is naive in Python, so you need to make both of them either naive or aware datetime objects. This can be done using Note, this would raise a value error if synfo is already set. If you are not sure about that, just use BTW. You could format a Unix timestamp in datetime.datetime object with timezone info as following.
Datetime.datetime.now is not timezone aware. Django comes with a helper for this, which requires bytes. You should be able to compare now to challenge.datetime_start.
One line of code solution. Explain version. Summary. You must add the time zone info to your now datetime. However, you must add the same time zone of the reference variable. That is why I first read that synfo attribute.
Disable time zone. Use challenge.datetime_start. Replace synfo equals none. You can also use replace info equals none for other datetime.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.